सुना था, देखा था, पढ़ा था, अपनी आंखों से उसको साक्षात दर्शन करना एक अलग ही अनुभूति है।
There was a cosmic, we felt the cosmic energy, the charisma जो था वहाँ पे, the environment that was there, it was very, mesmerizing. We just kept staring at the Mount Kailash for more than an hour, and as she said, it is difficult to express in words. It can be, only experienced.
मतलब जो आप फील करते हो, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सप्रेस इन वर्ड्स.
It is just beyond imagination. I would say it is beyond dream coming true, because the yatra was stopped for quite some time, and it is really beyond imagination.
We were waiting for it. When we didn't resume.
ब्रह्मांड को कैलाशपति का ही है, जो यूनिवर्स का सेंटर है वो ये यहाँ पे अपन खड़े हैं, उसके आगे कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकते. यहाँ मतलब बोलना कुछ इस बार मतलब सुनिए, आप सब बोल रहे हैं, बस आप जो बुलवा रहे हो तो हम बोल रहे हैं, बाकी स्पीचलेस बात है सब. ये
एक पॉइंट मैं और ऐड करना चाहूँगा इसमें, जो आपने कहा कि सहारा मिला, हमें जो सबसे बड़ा सहारा मिला वो भगवान शिव जी का है. हमें जो था सबसे अच्छा जो सपोर्ट मिला वो मौसम का सपोर्ट मिला. हमें कहीं भी बारिश नहीं मिली, इट वाज कम्प्लीटली सब जगह सनी था, इसके लिए हम हमारी यात्रा अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर पाए.
मैं और एक ऐड करना चाहूँगी कि हमारे जो ग्रुप में है वो एक यंगेस्ट जो बॉय है वो 20 साल का है, और जो सीनियर्स हमारे सिटीजन है 69 इयर्स ओल्ड है. तो हमारे बैच में सबने अच्छे से परिक्रमा यात्रा कंप्लीट की है. तो इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग ऑफ गॉड, लॉर्ड शिवा.
Sir mentioned, yatra, when we go for a yatra, we are mentally determined, we are mentally prepared that, there will be challenges, there will be difficulties, and as you mentioned, it's more than 2,000 kilometer trek. Of course, the facilities has been really good on both the sides, the Indian side as well as the Chinese side. And while doing the trek, yes, there were ponies, there were porters who, who helped us to, complete the yatra comfortably. But I would like to answer it this way, that the yatra is a strong determination. There would be challenges, but if you are strongly determined, then you will overcome all the challenges.
Basically, yatra is not for comfort. That is what we all feel and we all believe. Yatra is yatra. So whatever the arrangements are being made here, we are very comfortable and very happy about from both the sides. I think restricting number of pilgrims should not matter much. The eco-friendly tourism and basically the education and how we have to behave towards the environment, that education is more important than limiting the number of pilgrims.
Peoples are anyways restricted. This yatra is not happening throughout the year. It's only for around 3 months in a year that the yatra happens. Plus this year there are only 750 people who will be conducting the yatras. So we as yatri, we are blessed to have this yatra. So our point would be, as a yatri, the experience that we got, we would want that, both the governments should have allow more and more number of people, so that more and more number of people can take the advantage of this yatra.
Om Namah Shivaya.